Alright, so scenario here is your class gets locked in an airtight chamber, and the entire point of the game is how long your class can hold their breath. Now we have to think about this one as far as a mean instead of like each person individually. So it's either the whole group or nothing. So let's say this is some like crazy movie game or something, I don't know. Weird stuff now. If your class holds their breath at least an average of 35 seconds. This is theoretical, I'm not doing this, obviously. If your class makes it and you hold your breath an average of 35 minutes in this airtight chamber, then you win $1 million. Otherwise, you don't make it out. So, do you have any idea what's going to happen? No. So this is why it's a theoretical thing here. So you need to decide if you're weighing your options. Like I'm obviously doing one that's extreme on purpose. But you would have to weigh out your options. So you need to consider what is a type 1 error and consequences. And what is a type 2 error and consequences? Just to make sure we're on the same page though, what are we setting as our null hypothesis? So I want to, for the sake of this, do it in terms of, and so like we would need to say this ahead of time. Let's do it in terms of you're trying to figure out which one would make more sense. Do we want to be sure that it's going to work, or do we want to be sure that we're going to die? So we want convincing evidence that it's worth it. It's going to be seconds there. So your homework is to write what is a type 1 error and consequences, what is a type 2 error and consequences with this scenario.